we're here, can we do a bag raid for you
Yes,
guys? Okay.
Ano ko pa magbukas?
Yeah, because it's your bag.
Ganun ba?
It's his bag. We love the bag.
Salamat po. So yeah, meron lang like my shade, my glasses. Kasi malabo mata ko kapag napapagod na po sa contact lens. I just take it off and ang dami na.
Yeah, okay, I'll hold. Okay.
Camera. And this is yours.
Yeah.
Ano ba to? Ano ba tawag sa
The
ganito?
stain
Yes,
remover.
stain remover.
Oh, that's so smart. Because we're wearing white. Okay, what else is in there?
Where's your other lipsticks? Two lipsticks.
Wait, do you want to talk about the lipstick, the shade?
Yeah, so my stylist actually, Miss Kat Sabravega, she made like parang a mood board. So then I chose yung mga nilagay niya dun na inspo. So then I chose one of the looks. This is the look that was one on the mood board. So then this was the combination of lips that I thought of. So this is from Kins. It's very, very long lasting. This is from Korea. I super love shopping in Korea talaga. So it's in the shade Bite and Rare. Wow! Nag-makeup ano. Okay, next, Daddy.
Yeah, lagay ng contacts.
Yeah.
And the drops for the contacts as well. We're sharing because I'm also...
Same time.
Yeah,
I also use that one. It's in my bag.
Yeah, this one we got from
Yeah.
Japan. So, yeah, we have our essentials from each country. What's
Battery.
battery for the camera? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay, what else? Yeah, just case, mirror, phone.
Belas na yan.
Is that it? Yeah, there's no more.
Wala na.
Okay,
Kalat na lang.
thank you so much. Thank you,
Salamat
Mom.